Hey, welcome to Rust Belt Builds. So today I'm gonna do another cold start video, purely because I've had a couple people ask me to do one inside of the cab of the truck, and this truck has been sitting for probably about a week now. And what happens on these old carbureted trucks? With modern fuels, the fuel will evaporate from the float bowls. And this truck does not have an electric fuel pump. It has a mechanical fuel pump driven by the camshaft or the crankshaft. And so once it sits for a while, the fuel evaporates. So it takes a while for the pump to wind up while you're cranking the motor over. So it takes a minute to draw the fuel into the float bowls. And then once the fuel's into the float bowls, that's when it's going to start. So that's why it takes a little bit. But here is some clips of me inside the cab, the procedures of getting this truck to start, and yeah. I want to note that it's about 35, 36 degrees outside, so it's a little cold. The block's going to be a little cold, which will make for a better cold start. So I'm going to roll this window down for dramatic effect because the exhaust comes out this side. Maybe open this one. Put my foot on the brake, make sure it doesn't roll. You do not have to start this truck with the clutch in as long as it's in neutral. So here we go. Usually you'll have to leave this gas pedal matted to the floor just to get it to start up. But today it did not have to mat. Usually when it's cold, it has a low idle. This truck, I usually have the idle set to about 850, but when it's cold, it doesn't like the idle up there. It likes to idle around 600. But that's basically just the procedure to start this thing up. So I hope this is what y'all was looking for, and I'll see you on the next one.